We believe that smartwatches should give you the freedom to stay connected longer. Introducing the all-new Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Watch elegantly blends state-of-the-art technology with classic analog aesthetics, enhanced by the ticking second hand. Its signature circular bezel and vivid S-AMOLED display create a unique experience that elevates your style. Mix and match the Galaxy Watch with over 60,000 watch faces and a wide selection of straps. Its 5 ATM water resistance enables you to be more active outdoors. Our custom-made dual-core processor is built on low-power architecture to make the battery last several days on a single charge. Spotify with LTE takes your music on the go. And you can now take calls and send messages without needing your phone nearby. Thanks to its integrated movement sensors, the Galaxy Watch becomes your personal trainer, encouraging you to choose from 39 predefined workouts and times each rep as you move from one exercise to the other. The 4 heart rate sensors check your pulse to monitor your health and well-being. The Galaxy Watch provides focused breathing guides that help you relax. These sensors also track your sleep and REM patterns to feel more rested the next day. The daily briefing presents your schedule and weather forecast, while the My Day watch face takes care of your calendar, alarms, and reminders at all times. Galaxy Watch gives you the freedom to control your IoT devices, whether you're at home or on the go. And with Samsung Pay, you can leave your wallet and phone at home. The all-new Galaxy Watch helps you to stay connected longer. Samsung Galaxy Watch.